Hello everyone, I am Nikhil Pandey. Welcome you all to my channel Dream Shiksha. Students, in previous session we have started chapter 3 Log on to Axis and have discussed part 1. In part 1 we have talked about introduction to MS Access, features of MS Access and MS Access 2007 interface. So today we are going to start part 2 and will continue the chapter with the topic starting MS Access 2007. So let's start with the session. Starting MS Access 2007. Now how we will start MS Access 2007? So for that, click on Start button, then you will choose All Program, then you will choose Microsoft Office and then Microsoft Office Access 2007. In this way, you will able to open a MS Access 2007. Now, MS Access offer you two ways to create a new database. So MS Access offer you two ways which helps you in creating a new database. Creating a database using a template. So first way is you can create a database using template, and second is creating a database using blank database. Now we will discuss first way, creating a database using template. It is one of the easiest way to create a table. Templates are ready to use database object that contains various types of table, queries, forms, etc. So to create a database using template, it is the easiest way where you can create a table. Here templates are ready-made material which are provided by MS Access, which help us in creating a table, queries and forms. It makes us process easy to perform the task. So it is easy to use a template, and this help in creating a table easily. They are needed to perform a specific task and help to speed up the database creation process. So by using template, we can able to perform a specific task easily, and it also speed up our process of creating database. Now starting MS Access, the getting started with Microsoft Office Access window appears. So when we start MS Access, so what appears on it? The getting started with Microsoft Office Access window appears on it. Now in the left pane, click on local template in template categories. Now here you will see a option in left pane. From here you will choose a local template option in template categories. So these are the template categories where you have to choose a option local template. Select a template from the displayed list in the center area of the Access window under local template. Here we are selecting a contact template. So when you click on local template, so here there are many options displayed in this Access window under local template. So from here you can choose any template of your choice, but for now we are using a contact template. On the right side of the window, Access suggests a file name in the file name box. Change the file name as desired. So when you choose a contact template, in the right hand side you will get a window for file name box or option for file name box where you have to choose a file name. So you can write a file name according to your choice. Now click on create button. Access create the database and open it in the form view as shown in the below figure. Now you will click on create button. So Access will display the create database. So you have to open it in the form view as shown in the figure. Okay, a table name contact list is displayed in the database window. It contains fields which are relevant to the contact database. Now a contact list database window will displayed in your screen. Now from here you can able to write the content of your contacts. It contains the field which are relevant to the contact database. So it also contains a field which are necessary to put up your details. Now know the fact. Templates are pre-built database focused on a specific task that you can download and use immediately. So templates are already designed database focused on specific tasks that you can able to download and use immediately as your requirement. Now we will discuss creating a blank database. When Access opens, you will find the getting started with Microsoft Office Access window as somewhere. So first process is same for a blank database and also for a template database. Now when you open Access, you will get an option getting started with Microsoft Office Access. Okay. Select the blank database option in the starting page of MS Access. Now you will select the option blank database. Here it is in the page of MS Access. The blank database command allow you to create a database from scratch. The blank database task pane appear on the right side that prompted you to create a file. So blank database allow you to create a file by using Scratch. The blank database task pane appear on the right side that prompt you to create a file. When you choose a blank database task pane, you will get an option to create a file. Here it is. In this way you will get an option. There you will specify the name in the file name text box. Okay. If required, you can change the location of the file by clicking the browse button and next to the file name. Now if you want to change the location of storage, you can click on the option browse button next to the file name box. So here is the option from where you can change the location of your file. Click on the create button. This will create and open a new blank database in the database view with the name table1. Now after mentioning a file name, you will click on the option create. This will open a data sheet view with the name table1. Okay, the name will also get displayed in the navigation pane. So this is your navigation pane where your table1 option will appear. So here it will display a table1. Here also in the above of the table, that is title bar, and here also that is table1. Okay. Now here you will able to observe that table tool is selected by default. Okay, so you don't have to do anything. Table tool is selected by default. Next. Now adding field to a table. Now how we will add a field to a table? Access 2007 allow you to add field to table when you are working in datasheet view or in design view. So when we are using blank database, so we have to add field by our own when working with datasheet view or a design view. Now MS Access provide you option to change a view. MS Access offer you to change the view of your table. To switch view, so MS Access offer you to change the view according to your choice. Click on the view button present in the view groups either on the home tab or datasheet tab. Now you will click on view button from here option will be available, so you have to click on the option view button. So when you click on view, you will get the option from the drop down menu. You will choose the option according to your desired view. Now the first view is datasheet view, which is similar like a spreadsheet, and second view is design view. In this view, you set options to allow data to be entered in specific format. You cannot see actual data held in the table in this view. So with the help of design view, you can able to enter a data in a specific format. You can choose according to your choices. So in design view, you can specify the format and can enter the data. Okay. Now adding field in a datasheet view. By default, Access 2007 create one field in each new table, the ID field. This field auto numbers to give each record in the table unique number identifier. So by default from Access 2007, there is an option of one field which is default given by the Access 2007, that is the ID field, which you can also say is the unique key or unique number identifier. To add more fields, second option, to add more fields to a table in a database view, double click on the add new field header. Now if you want to add more fields to your database, you can simply double click on the add new field option. Here it is. Okay, so you can simply double click on it and you will able to open one more field as per your choice. The add new field text will disappear from the header. Name the field by typing the name directly into the header. Now when you double click on it, so add new field option will disappear on it, and you can specify the name of your field according to your choice. Press the tab key to move to the next field. So when the work is over, you can, and if you want to move to the next field, you can simply click on the tab option so that you can able to move on to the next field. So in this way we will perform operation on MS Access. In this way we create a blank database and we will create a database using template. So today we will end up our session here. I hope you have understood the things well. So in next session we will discuss part 3 of MS Access 2007. So that's all for today. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.